Today I'm going to be coding in Java using an IDE called processing. The first thing I do is define my setup parameters. After that I make a nested loop that I planned on using for my grid. I was trying to do this whole thing in one take, and I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to do it, so you can see me jumping around a little. I ended up using an integer named s to keep my size constant. That way I can change the grid size later if I choose to. This was my result. It looked more or less how I wanted it to, so I figured the next step would be defining some sort of array where I can hold each grid's status as to whether it's alive or not. I ended up calling this array start. I made start 100 by 100. This will probably be changed later to make it more efficient, but for now I just wanted the proof of concept. Now that I have start, a two-dimensional array, I'm going to create a nested for loop in my setup method that runs through every element of the array and assigns a random integer, being either 0 or 1. Now that this is done, I'm going to write a little bit of logic saying if the space we're looking at is a 0, make it no color or background color. If it's a 1 or else, make it white.